So hey everyone, welcome back to another interesting and quick tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro software. So where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can add the markers to the timeline. So it could be act like a bookmark for your editing timeline if get too messy. So all you have to do is to simply open the Premiere Pro software and then open a project you want to edit the files and import the clip you want to edit. You can select the multiple clips as well. It's a simple process of editing. When you add the video you want to edit on a timeline, a sequence is being created. Now you can see a 15-second timeline has been stretched. Now to add a bookmark, all I have to do is to just simply take the time lapse. You can see what you say, it's a cursor of the timeline. Take it to the point where you want to add a bookmark or the marker. Currently I have set it to the 5 second, and if I want to add a marker to 5 second, all I have to do is to just simply right click over there and you can see an option of add marker. Just simply click on this, and if you want to add multiple markers, like if I want to add the marker on 10 seconds as well, I'll take the timeline cursor to the 10 second and add a timeline and add a marker over there. You can see now the multiple markers has been added to my timeline. You can add as many of the markers as you want. And now if I want to move to a marker, I just simply right click on there and you can see a button of click to next marker, go to next marker, and go to previous marker as well. So you can switch in between markers using these, and you can change the color of the marker as well. You can see it's the edit marker button. You can from here select the marker color as well. So you can do this in Premiere Pro software PC. So that's a really interesting and quick tutorial of adding markers in Premiere Pro timeline. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.